So, welcome back, friends. Now, people have been asking me a couple of questions on many things, including politics. Well, what do you want me to say? What can I say? I feel that the major contestant should be concentrating on the major issues at hand. When you come to power, rather than, trying to be like, hit at each other all the time, it's becoming very negative. Just tell us what you will do when you come to power, whoever it may be. It's very simple and straightforward way of fighting elections. One is speaking from one corner of India, another is speaking from another corner. It's getting extremely complex for people, and I believe that if you talk about the stock market, as you go further from here, the stock market is also going to understand that we don't know which will be the final form of the government, who are the parties who will come together finally to form the government. This uncertainty regarding taxation and economic policies of the new government will create a great amount of troubled times for the stock market. So market does not like uncertainty. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि लोग आके सिर्फ बताएं कि हम जब पावर में आएंगे तो क्या करेंगे, क्या आप पॉलिसीज के लिए एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट हिट करके नेगेटिव इलेक्शनिंग में कोई मजा नहीं है. महाराष्ट्र में देखिए तो मिसल पाव पॉलिटिक्स हो गया है. मिसल पाव एक फेमस डिश है जो मिक्सचर पॉलिटिक्स हो गया है. बारामती में देखे तो वाहिनी वर्सेस टाई हो गया है. मेरा प्रोनाउंसिएशन हो सकता है थोड़ा गलत हो, लेकिन बहुत दुख होता है ये सब देख के. मेन जो मुद्दे हैं भाई, आप जो है नौकरियां लोगों को कम है, आप क्या करोगे, और स्वास्थ्य संबंधी एंड शिक्षा संबंधी ये चीज़ों के बारे में बताएं. वो ज़्यादा जरूरी कि आप पावर में आके फिर क्या करेंगे. अब वो नई नई बातें आ रही हैं और सभी साइड्स के कुछ है. बाय इनहेरिटेंस है, वो टैक्स अगर नहीं है तो भाई क्लियरली बता दो हम नहीं डालेंगे. बस कांग्रेस को भी बोल देना भाई नहीं डालेंगे. लोगों को कंफ्यूज करके ये सब कोई मतलब नहीं है. आई थिंक दिस हैज बीन प्रॉब्ली द मोस्ट कंफ्यूजिंग इलेक्शंस ऑफ आई हैव एवर सीन इन माय लाइफ. आई एम सॉरी टू से. Few stock ideas. Biocon has received a South African regulatory approval for tacrolimus capsules. It's a good defensive play at 306, 8.7% earnings growth expected, 13.1% revenue growth, and 9% EPS growth. It's good. Now, another stock that you can keep on your radar is Nile. Now, Nile is a manufacturer of pure lead and lead alloys, and it is setting up a lithium ion recycling plant. 140% higher Q3 EPS, 78% higher 9-month EPS for this 9 months of this financial year. The latest results are expected. Nile can be kept on your radar at 1374 current market price. और एक स्टॉक बता देता हूँ, रॉक्स हाईटेक. 49 करोड़ का उन्होंने एक नेटवर्क एंड सिक्योरिटी ऑपरेशन सेंटर बनाने का निश्चय किया है इन चेन्नई. एंड मेडिकल auto compliance center also it is setting up, automation center in Chennai, and a global software development center in Noida. तो अच्छे एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स है. रॉक्स हाईटेक 118 का भाव, इसको भी थोड़ा सा आप अपने रेडार पे रख सकते हैं. 3 स्टॉक्स आपको बता दिए. टोल्ड यू अबाउट 3 स्टॉक्स. Biocon at 306, Nile at 1374, Rocks Hitech at 118. There's a question from a subscriber. What do we do about Kotak Mahindra Bank? RBI has issued strictures against Kotak Mahindra Bank not to onboard new customers and not to issue fresh credit cards. जब तक ये वातावरण क्लियर नहीं होता, इसको आप बेकार में इन्वेस्ट करके और रिस्क लेके कोई मतलब नहीं है. ठीक है, इस वक्त सिचुएशन इट डज नॉट लुक टू बी completely clear. RBI, there will be naturally proposals by Kotak. They will do the necessary rectification and they will go back to RBI. जब तक वो सब क्लियरेंस नहीं आता, मैं एडवाइस नहीं करूंगा. आपको लेना है करिए. अगर कोई सटोरी उसको ऐसे भी बना रहे तो बात अलग है, लेकिन मुझे तो फंडामेंटली जब तक ये सब क्लियरेंसेस नहीं आ रहे हैं RBI से, आई डोंट थिंक इट इज worthwhile proposition considering the risk and return relationship of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Okay, so 3 stocks. One suggestions to the both political parties to please come and tell about what your plans are for education, for healthcare, And yes, if there are some taxation policies you're going to impose or not impose, then do clarify it, right? But rather than it's becoming like a negative campaign, so we can stay out. It's difficult to see in Maharashtra and Baramati, particularly the Sule versus Pawars and all that, what's going on, it's and Maharashtrian culture has been something very proud. Everybody has been extremely proud, and to see the missile power politics that's being played now, it's getting really disturbing for even a common man. I was trying to avoid speaking anything on the political front, and probably I feel that I still should not, but people have been asking my Wahini versus Thai. I mean, this is not a way. What elections are going on? I don't understand where we stand from here, but anyway, I still hope that the best person will win and the best combination of parties will come to power. It's my expectation and my hope. Okay. Only thing is that as the run-up to the final results takes place, there will be uncertainties which will come in and which can impact the stock markets. Get to know more. Do join our any of the packages, the Ram Navami special, which gives you daily predictions of the market, good stock recommendations also. You can join Premium Value, वो भी join कर सकते हैं, 1 week का predictions और अच्छे stock recommendations. Premium Value में हम multi baggers वगैरह भी देते हैं. ठीक है, सभी के लिए संपर्क करने का नंबर वही है, व्हाट्सएप करें 9820861044. जय श्री राम. अगर मैंने कुछ गलत कहा तो माफ कर दीजिएगा, लेकिन ये पॉलिटिकल जो इतना नेगेटिव हो रहा है देखना भी मजा नहीं आ रहा है और कई लोग परेशान हो गए हैं. आई फेल देयर वाज लिटिल पॉजिटिविटी. सीधा बताए भाई हम ये करेंगे, शिक्षा संबंधी, स्वास्थ्य संबंधी, ये हमारी टैक्सेशन की भी क्लियरली बताए भाई, ये पॉलिसीज हम इसके हैं भाई, कम करेंगे टैक्स या बढ़ाएंगे या क्या लगे, क्लियर बता के बस बात खलास. इतना सारा आफ्टर ऑल वी आर आवर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स. इट्स अ शॉर्ट लाइफ. एक दूसरे को आई डोंट लाइक. आई एम अ वेरी पॉजिटिव माइंडेड पर्सन, वेरी डिफरेंट, more spiritual, don't like to hurt anyone, try to help everyone. It's a different type of person. So I don't like all this negativity. Okay? Stay positive and God will God will do good for you. And I'm sure these stock recommendations I'm giving you with a lot of hard work. Hopefully it will be beneficial to you. In the full package that we have, you get outlined even more faster running stocks with less risk. Okay, so I don't want you to take unnecessary risks. That's why I was talking about Kotak Mahindra Bank. Be careful, but I'll give you more, and there will be some good multi-bagger recommendations also we'll be giving in the Premium Value, Premium Plus. So do join that. That's to the best of our ability, of course. Rest is all in the good Lord's hands. Okay, Jai Shri Ram to you all. Happy investing, and stay positive, stay calm, think positive, and may the best person and the best combination of parties come to power and I'm sure this country has great potential. I look forward to a great combination of parties to come in power. Happy investing. Take care. Jai Shri Ram to you all.